Are we ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Jovanni is ready. Hi, I'm Martin Yan of Yan Can Cook on public television. Today, I'm so excited to work with a very good friend, a young and talented Jovanni. So Jovanni, what are you going to show us today?
I'm going to show you how to make aguachile, which is a traditional Mexican recipe, which comprises of cilantro, chili peppers, and then shrimp cooked in lime. It's a recipe that my family eats a lot when we get together, so it reminds me of unity, and it just brings back good memories.
So what is step number one?
Step number one is to butterfly some shrimp.
Butterfly the shrimp, good. Yeah. I love this recipe. Simple, natural taste, refreshing, and have a little kick. Why do you have to take the time to butterfly every single one of these?
It makes it look more aesthetically pleasing, and it satisfies the eye more.
Okay.
Whereas a regular shrimp just looks like this, it'll open up more, look lighter.
Good choice, good choice, good choice.
Lime cooked shrimp, it's an idea that I didn't understand for the longest time ever. I've been cooking for 3 years now, 2 of them as just a home cook pretty much, and this year I've been taking it seriously.
This is how I would do it. Sometimes when you do this here, this is how I do it in the Asian kitchen. You put your shrimp here. So when you do it like this, sometimes you go back and forth. If you're not careful, it can cut yourself. So I would do it like this. I put my shrimp here and go like this. One, already done, okay?
It was intimidating at first, knowing I'm going up with someone so big. But the experience of Chef Yan, it's something I'll take into my life for a long time. She just puts it in there, starts juicing it.
Good idea. You learn from
my chef.
Your chef. So
Chef
your parent cook at home? Your parent?
Yeah, but they use the traditional lime juice here.
Oh yeah. I have tasted something similar in terms of technique. You use lime to cook your seafood, either fish or shrimp. That's why you never stop learning from everybody, right?
Yeah.
The lime juice actually helps to cook the shrimp actually.
Yeah, it denatures the proteins inside it, same way cooking does.
You see, Jovanni's very, very good. Denature the protein, that's a very, very chemical, very scientific.
Yeah, I love to be a chef, and the tips he gave me, I'll also implement them to my cooking as well.
I can see you also learned something really great from your instructor. You know why? Because he did not cut the root. Because when you cut the root, when you cut onion, oil splash all over it, you're gonna be very emotional. You're gonna be crying. Look at that, the root is still right here.
Someone who inspires me is my chef at Cheyenne High School. Her name is Chef Krogman, and she pushed me to do better, to taste more foods and just get a better palate.
A lot of people may not know the difference between the Serrano and Jalapeno. And Jalapeno is a little bit shorter, a little bit fatter, and this is a little bit skinnier, and the heat is different. Which one is harder? Tell everybody.
Serrano is a lot hotter.
This is harder. This give you a hot lip. This smoke your hair, okay? Jovanni actually put 2 different types of fresh chili together. So Serrano and jalapeno. Normally you use one, and it's an eye-opener for me. It gives me that little kick. And next time, I'm gonna use 2 Serrano and 1 jalapeno. Cilantro. Very good, a lot of cilantro. If you love salsa, you love Mexican food, cilantro is widely used. And cilantro is actually widely used in a lot of other cuisines too. Vietnamese cuisine, Thai cuisine, Chinese cuisine, many parts of Asia, they use a lot of cilantro. Among the cilantro, and when he put it in, this explosive flavor. And you know what? It is turned out to be perfectly balanced. You chop this up.
Yep.
Chef, let me show you. Sometimes if you want to do it really fast, okay? If you go like this, you cannot really rock, but if you do it like this, look at this. And also, it's a happy kitchen. You can actually create music. See that?
Yeah.
This is fun.
Yeah. Being a chef requires a lot of passion, a lot of time, and I think I'll have both of those.
Put all the stuff, put the garlic, a lot of cilantro. Wow, I've never used so much cilantro. This should be good. I can smell it. Can everybody smell it over there? Look at this and just see how beautiful this is. Look at that. Tell everybody what you have here.
This is Serrano chili, jalapeno chili, garlic, and then vinegar.
The onion flavor, lime, everything, it melts together. It's wonderful. I love that. Yeah, put it inside the shrimp. Wow, this is gonna be very aromatic. Basically, this aroma, the fragrance and the essential oil just basically exploded in this room. Look at that.
Being next to such a big chef, it makes me shake at times. I want to try and do something that's not into my comfort zone. I'm very strong.
Another question for you.
Chef?
Why do you choose to be a chef, choose to become a chef?
It's always been a passion since I was a kid.
Yeah, and as a kid, just like me. When I was a kid, even about 5 years old, I love food. I love the smell of the food, the look of the food. So you decide, and your parent supported you.
Yeah.
I encourage you to do it. You got lucky. You are very lucky. Young people like Jovanni, if you love what you do, you're passionate about, choose your career according to your passion. That's what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Good. I like his style. I like his mood and his attitude to food. He said, I love it. I'm going to give a report for your instructor, say, Jovanni did a marvelous job. Jovanni, I see the way that you cut the cucumber. You do it gingerly. That's good because it's safety. But this is how we do it, okay? I slice it and go like this. And I put it like that.
I'm gonna remember the fact that I cooked next to Chef Martin Yen and he actually helped me. I was really nervous about that. I thought maybe, he'd get mad at me.
I think it's great. You might need a little pinch of extra salt. How's that sound?
Yeah, I'd agree.
Just all go like this. Done. I love this recipe. The recipe, it is simple, refreshing, the lime, the salt, very simple seasoning. This is really natural. The shrimp is actually cooked with the lime. I can feel the onion flavor. I can feel the cilantro. I can feel the lime and the garlic. I think as a young man, an upcoming chef, young chef, I think he had a good basic skill. You know what, Jovanni? This is a winner. I'm gonna copy this recipe. I'm gonna do it at home. I'm gonna use 3 cloves of garlic, and I guarantee that would not overpower because I love garlic. Garlic is good. In the meantime, I wish you continued success. I know you will be very successful because you're passionate. The way he cut things, the way he put things together, seems to be very comfortable what he is doing, and that means he has a bright future.
I'm happy that I got the help from a professional chef. I'm happy that I got to experience something I've never experienced in my life.